Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a video on natural hair styling tools and accessories for beginners. I think this video will be extremely helpful for someone that is thinking about becoming natural and doesn't know what they may need. Kind of gives you an idea what you will need to maintain your hair and help you style it. Please leave me some comments down below if this video was helpful to you and what are some of your favorite tools and accessories to use when you were a new natural. A little backstory on myself: I decided to go natural back in October 2015. I did a relaxer on myself that went horribly wrong. I gave myself a bald spot, so I decided to transition and let my hair grow out. I did not do the big chop. So I wore braids and wigs to help me transition for about a year and a half. And then I cut my relaxed ends off. I was wearing wigs. I decided to wear curly wigs that were similar to my hair. This actually made me even comfortable today wearing my hair out. After I moved from Nebraska to California, I started wearing my natural hair. It's helped my hair thrive so much, and I couldn't be prouder of my hair. So I said all that backstory just to say, I think at that time when I was learning about my natural hair, if I would have watched a video like this would have been helpful to me. You don't have to rush out and get them right now. Just work with what you got and then work up to what you want to have in your toolkit for your hair. Let's jump into the tools. Very, very, very important to protect your hair when it's wet. You don't want to use a regular towel on your curly hair. It's going to cause friction and you're going to lose moisture. So you want to either a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt. So I would definitely recommend the Turbie towels. These are so convenient and easy to use. You can wrap them around your head. And then this is a Deva towel. I got this in a set with shampoo and conditioner. But like I said, you don't have to rush out and get these. The Turbie towel is a little bit more affordable than the Deva towel. If you just have a cotton t-shirt in your house, you can use that in the meantime. It's bobby pins. These are very, very important to have to secure your hairstyle in place. Pick these up at the beauty supply store. I probably have tons of these floating around in my house, and I'm sure you probably have this too. Brushes. So I have a hard brush. I like to use this for like my style, like I'm wearing now, like a puff. It just helps me slick down my hair. Then I have two detangling brushes. This is a Denman brush. I've had this for a very long time. I mean, I think I've had this brush ever since I was even relaxed, for years. I just took out some of the bristles to kind of customize it for my hair. And this is a Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. Combs. So I had white tooth combs, rat tail combs, pick. I have so many of these, and I love these for detangling, parting my hair, fluffing it, giving it volume. Definitely need these. The 360 spray bottle. This is so nice to have. If you want to just get your hair a little damp, you can do that with this bottle. If you want to get it really soaking wet, you can do it with this bottle. I got this from Sally. Elastic bands. So I have different sizes and I use these for various things, for stretching my hair, putting my hair in a puff. You definitely want to be careful if you're using elastic bands for puffs because it can cause tension and you could you can get a headache from the elastic band being too tight, but I like to use these to stretch my hair, and I have just different sizes. And even with the long ones, I have a couple that are cut in half, and I sometimes use those for puffs. This is also a good alternative too. This is by Cantu. This is their elastic hook bands. Picked this up at Target. Got these from the beauty supply store. The puff cuff. And this is great to have. It doesn't give you headaches. It doesn't cause tension or tangles in your hair. This is a really nice product. We're going to talk about hair clips. Oh, there's so many uses for these. You can section your hair. Helps keep the hair out of your way if you're detangling or styling. So many options for this. Turban headbands. I love these. I'm just a headband person. I love these. I picked these up at Claire's. I have so many of them. Different colors. Try one on for you. Okay, let me look over here. And this just changes up your look a little bit. Headscarves. So I love headscarves as keeping my hair covered if my hair is still drying from a braid out or twist out. And you don't have to spend a lot of money. This is just a scarf from Charming Charlie, and this is actually a head wrap from the wrap. Then I'm going to talk about the Q-redew. This is something I've had since I became natural. This is a little bit of a pricier thing, but I would still recommend it. You don't have to rush out and get it right away, but this helped me a lot detangle my hair and make it more manageable when I was dealing with multiple textures. And I use this now to deep condition, and even you can use it as a facial steamer. Hair jewelry. So you can pick these up at the beauty supply store. And these are just nice to have to jazz up your hairstyle. I like to use it if I'm doing like a flat twist or style a little bit of, you know, a little something, something. Use heat on my hair, but a little heat is not gonna hurt you. As long as you use a heat protectant, you should be fine. I got my old school one with the comb. I love this. I use this before I actually even got my diffuser. And I actually like this one better to use when I straighten my hair. But use what like I said, use what you got. I started with this, and then I would say in the last 6-7 months, I got a diffuser. So a diffuser is good to have because it's gonna get to your roots, and it's gonna kind of caress your curls, and it just makes it easier to blow dry. I like to use this when I do a wash and go. This has definitely stepped up my wash and go game. Affordable one. This is by Conair. Also comes with like a funnel. Hope you found this video helpful. See you guys in the next upload. Bye.